Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, a quick nightly update as I wait for food to arrive. So this will be a quick update, and then we'll do another one. We got XRP. We'll start with just the big boys right now because there was a nice pump, and I'm sure the excitement was coming. But look where we got down to. See that? We had a 87 and 92 cent target, and we hit 88 cents today, and then the other day we hit a little less than the 88 cents. Almost 87.9 the day before, and look where we pumped back up to. Oop, fuck, I didn't want to delete that. Look where we pumped back up to, that channel that we're in, and the 200-day moving average. That's why we had from down here, you get supported, you can come up, then get rejected, trade within this, and then come back down. So if you're trying to get bullish right now, but I don't see any volume to do that, you got to get over in the 3-hour time frame, these moving average. You got to get up into here, and then trade on top of that 200-day. That's going to be trading down like that the next few days, and that's how you get bullish and get back up into that green support box, the major volume traded volume indicator, which is going to act as overhead resistance right now. That's how you get bullish. If we zoom on into the hour time frame, the way you stay bearish is you start topping out like it looks like maybe you are now on this upper resistance, and then you start trading down. Come back to this mid-ground support, right? Maybe come back up, and then come back down, and then fall back through and end up at this underneath target that we think we're coming down to, because we thought we would come down and double bottom and told you could come and pump, and that's why we had that price label up there before I deleted it, right? But I deleted it on accident. So that's what I would look for in XRP. XLM, it's probably a similar thing. Look at that. You bounced right off that green ring that we were forecasting, right? From back there when we broke. We were telling you you're playing ring to ring to ring, and you would have to hold support here. And look at that. You touched right at the ring. Move it to current time. We were telling you were coming down there, right? Get that out of there. And it bounced on it beautifully. And now you're coming up to this major overhead resistance. And if you're trying to get bullish now in the hour time frame, you got to get over this green resistance, over this green 200-day moving average, and then start trading on this blue ring again and try to retest that, right? That's your bullish scenario. But if you're going to be bearish after you bounced off of this, right, we can get rid of that now. We've seen that. If you're going to be bearish, just sort of like Bitcoin, you're going to top out here, maybe get on top of this, a quick fake out, roll back over to 200 days like that. You slip it, it starts to act as resistance, and you trade down, right, as the 200-day would come around like this in a forecasted 200-day moving average, and then would trade down and would act as overhead resistance, right? And that's how you become bearish again and trade. And the underneath target would be the blue ring again that you got supported on to come back and double bottom, right? At the 30-cent blue ring. So that's your bullish and bearish way in XLM. The Dogecoin is similar. You can see we've been fighting with this blue ring, right? Or this, is that a blue? No, that's descending triangle. We're getting rejected, and we're trying to get back into there, right? And you can see in the 5-minute time frame, it's having a hard time getting back into this descending triangle. It's got heavy sell pressure, and it looks like you're going to come back to the 200-day, and if you slip that, you're going to come back and double bottom, right? And then there would be repercussions to the downside, much, much harsher and farther, because that would be your target down here on the current day. 12.5 cents if you can't hold and get back into this descending triangle, right? See that triangle that you broke past that green ring at 21.5 cents, 21.9, and that descending triangle that's right here. See that lower, and then the upper one's at 25 cents. If you get rejected and come down, your target is at 12 cents, way down here. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. More updates to come later on this evening. Peace and love. Peace and love.